Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain in easy manner of mean, median, mode and range. Definitely I am saying using this video content you can make your problems on mean, median, mode, range in easily. Now we are going to see what is mean. The mean is nothing but the sum of all the items divided by the number of items in the set, also called the average. Using this slide, we can easily understand what is mean. See, here 5 images are given. Each and every image will have their own values. We need to add all the values and divide it by 5. Then we can get the mean of this subset, that is 160. Here I gave some example to understand mean. The mean of 10 numbers is 58. If one of the number is 40, then what is the mean of other 9? The answer is B, that is 60. Explanation of that problem is the mean number of 10 is 58. So the sum of numbers is 580. One of them is 40. So the sum of the remaining 9 is 540. So mean of the remaining 9 is 540 divided by 9, that is equal to 60. Another example I have given here. The mean of 11 numbers is 7. One of the numbers 13 is deleted from that. What is the mean of the remaining 10 numbers? The answer is 6.4. The explanation of the previous sum is given here. The mean is the average of the numbers. So, if x equal to all the 11 numbers added together, then you have the equation x by 11, that is equal to 7 means x is 77. Then we need to remove this 13 from that 77. So we can get 64 divided by 10. The answer is 6.4. Next, what is median? The median is nothing but the middle value when the data are in numerical order. If there are two numbers in the middle, find the mean or average of those two numbers. Here I have explained in a figurative method of median. See, 5 images are there. It is a odd number of median problem. So we need to left from the left side of 2 images and right side of 2 images. That center one is known as median. Below I have given in a numerical value 2. That is also some odd number 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is a 7 number of problem. So we need to omit from left side of 3 numbers and right side of 3 numbers. The middle one 6 is known as median. So in the below I have given some other example with even number. So it is having some 8 numbers. So we need to omit from left side of 3 numbers and right side of 3 numbers. In the medium it is having 4 and 5. We need to add both of them and divide it by 2. That is the mean of that sum. Before entering into median, we need to know some rules and regulation. If suppose it is in random, we need to arrange it in increasing order. In this slide, I gave the example. See, here it starts with 5, 13, 9, 7, 1, 9, 2, 9 and 11. This set is randomly present. So we need to arrange it first as a ascending order like 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 9, 9, 11 and 13. So it is a 9 number of median problem. So we need to omit 4 from left side and 4 from right side. Then the 9 is the median. Here I gave the problem for median. What is the median of the sample? 5, 5, 11, 9, 8, 5, 8. The answer is C. How it is C means, first of all, we need to arrange it as a ascending order like 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 9, 11. So it is a 7 odd number of median problem. Left side 3 numbers we need to leave, as well as right side 3 numbers we need to leave. So in the middle we are seeing that 8, that is known as the medium of this median. The same I have given some other example also. You can go through it. Now we are going to see about what is mode. The mode is nothing but the value or values that occur most often in a set of data. In this slide, I have given some example for find the mode. First of all, we need to arrange it in ascending order, whatever we have done in the median. So from this, we can understand 63 and 67. Both the numbers are repeated, so it is the mode of this sum. In the below, we can understand there is no set of number. Actually, none of the number has repeated. So, there is no mode in that. Some problems I have given for mode. The first problem is the mode of 12, 17, 16, 14, 13, 16, 11 and 14. The answer is D, because that 14 and 16, that both the numbers only repeated. So what? The mode of this set is 14 and 16. For the next one, find the mode from these test results. Actually, many numbers as repeated in this problem, but the answer is C, that is 17, because it is only more repeated in the set. So what? 17 is the mode of this set. Finally, we are going to see what is range. The range is nothing but the difference between the least and greatest value in the set of number. For range 2, I have given some problems. See, here in the first problem, 16 is the highest number and 13 is the lowest number. So we are subtracting this 13 from 16. So the range of this set is 3. In the second case, 90 is the greatest number and 60 is the lowest number. So that set's range is 30. Finally, I have given the problem with all the sets like mean, median, mode and range. Which set of the data has a mean of 15, a range of 22, a median of 14 and a mode of 14? Answer is A. Why? Because of A means you can add all the 5 numbers and you can get the mean value of 15 and median is 14. Then mode is 14. A range is 22. From this video, I strongly believe you people will understand what is mean, median, mode and range. Thank you very much.